Hey there, I'm Frank Mitchell. On this channel, it's all about helping you understand your car and keeping it running the way it should. Whether it's routine maintenance or solving those tricky problems, I've got you covered. If you find this useful, give the video a like, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to watch till the end. You might learn something that saves you time and money. All right, let's get started.
The automotive industry has evolved more in the last 10 years than during the previous 100. However, this sector still faces the challenge of improving a chain production method that has hardly been perfected since it was devised by Henry Ford at the beginning of the last century, and which is associated with certain losses in reliability for the companies that put it into practice. In this sense, Trinity is a Volkswagen project whose main objective is to revolutionize its manufacturing processes and the way in which its products are conceived. Juan Francisco Calero synthesizes this ambitious strategic plan in his latest video. Vehicle manufacturing has remained almost unchanged since Fordism, whose procedure is based on the maxim that the assembly line should never be stopped in order to achieve the highest number of units at the lowest possible cost. Even the most recent automotive manufacturers, such as Tesla, although it is a disruptive company in other areas, apply the cardinal concepts of this technique today. Only certain companies, such as Toyota, subtly vary this process in order to obtain a level of quality in their cars that differentiates them from firms that work in a more traditional but almost obsolete way. Specifically, Volkswagen's Trinity project revolves around the creation of a flagship model that will reach the market in 2025 and that will change the principles of the production line and the development phases of its cars, so as to obtain the ability to accelerate, simplify, make profitable and automate the course of automotive development. The fundamental pillars of this revolution that make up the Trinity, in addition to the new manufacturing, will be the software and the platform on which that first car is built, which will be equally important, will be completely designed from scratch and will be endowed with a huge economic investment, the purpose of which is to anticipate the future and the rest of the companies by means of the most aggressive innovation. Whoever obtains this competitive advantage, sometimes underestimated by the members of an industry with conservative dyes, will surely achieve commercial success and leadership in a sector that is in full technological transition or, what is the same, in the path towards the routing of the electric, connected and autonomous vehicle that Volkswagen intends to lead, as Juan Francisco, our editorial director, explains in the latest installment of his YouTube channel. In conclusion, Volkswagen's Trinity project represents a bold leap into the future of the automotive industry. By integrating cutting-edge technology, sustainable practices, and innovative design, Volkswagen is not just adapting to the changing landscape but is poised to redefine it. As we move towards a more electrified and connected world, the success of this initiative could set new benchmarks for efficiency and performance, challenging competitors and inspiring a new generation of vehicles. The coming years will be crucial as we witness how this ambitious project unfolds and shapes the future of mobility.